DJM TV.
I'm about to be set. I bake it.
Yeah, they need a camera open. Let's try it.
Yeah, be on the way to my house.
Oh, we could stay on that. Like, come on this
How you
side.
doing?
Come on this side. Come on this side. Just in case.
Now make sure Mr. Videographer and photographer gets those. Don't jump in front of him. He's the important man.
No, I can't go there. Yeah, the family come on this side. Close to him.
Okay, you found it?
Do it. Yo, do what I do now so you know the scene now.
Your cousin Julia go there.
Cousin Julia. They lost me.
We don't want nobody crossing here. I beg you, just. It's
Okay, now nobody can move.
I'm so excited. I'm about to cry.
Okay,
You're okay? All right.
yeah, great.
Here we go. We are gathered here in the presence of God to witness and celebrate the marriage of Nelsina and Gilbert. On behalf of this lovely couple, welcome to each of you, and thank you for the support you have shown them for taking the time to be part of this joyous occasion. Nelsina and Gilbert, marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure of human relationships. No ceremony can create your marriage, only you can do that through love and patience, dedication, perseverance, talking and listening, helping and supporting, and believing in each other. Through tenderness and love, through learning to forgive, learning to appreciate your differences, and by learning to make the important things matter. And let it, the rest of it, go. Life won't always be easy, and it's not meant to be. But by walking through it together, you allow yourself to experience all that life has to offer with your true love by your side. This will bring you added joy during the happy moments and comfort during the difficult times. We are here with you today to give you our support and our love. Gilbert, do you take Nelsina to be your wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her? And to be faithful to her all the days of your life, so perseverance? Nelsina, do you take Gilbert to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him? And to be faithful to him all the days of your life? Please be quiet if I do. It is time to state your vows to each other. Words that reflect your love and commitment to your relationship. In the days and years to come, do your very best to live these vows, knowing that as you do, you are nurturing the foundation of your love. Gilbert, please repeat after me. I, Gilbert.
I, Gilbert.
Take you, Nelsina, to be my wife, to have and to hold, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, and to be faithful and honest,
Look at your brow.
gentle
Look at your brow.
and giving to you.
Hey.
Nelsina,
men
please
loud.
repeat after me. I, Nelsina. Husband, do you promise to love? Take you, Gilbert, to be my husband, to have and to hold, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, and to be faithful and honest, and gentle and giving to you all the days of my life.
Aww, I was yet to witness it. See? All the days. Le pasó así. The witness is speaking.
So cute. As you repeat after me, okay? So place it, put your ring finger out, and place it on there. And as you place it on her finger, repeat these words, sir. I, Gilbert, give you this ring as a reminder that I will love, honor, and cherish you with all that I have and all that I am, in all times, in all places, and in all ways. forever. Amen.
Let me see the finger. Let me see the finger, sis. Wow! Let me see the finger. Let me see the finger. Let me see the finger.
You were cheerleader before?
I was.
Place it on Gilbert's finger. Repeat after me. I know Cena. Give you this ring as a reminder.
You be lifting my close.
Honor and cherish you with all that I have and all that I am in all times, in all ways, forever. Amen.
Amen.
We wish for you a love that brings out the best in you as you bring out the best in each other. One that gives you something to lean on when you need it most, and a love that allows you to see each other as you really are, reminding you of why you are together. We wish for you a home, more than a place to live, but a haven from the pressures of the world outside your door. A place to let down your guard, unburden yourself, and know that there is somebody there, always on and by your side.
Right.
Finally, we wish for you a joy that makes you laugh out loud, a joy that brings a twinkle to your eye and fills your soul, a joy that shouts to the world of your happiness with one another. All of this and more we wish for you today and all the days of your lives. Amen.
Amen.
Nelsina and Gilbert, in the presence of God and your loved ones, you have spoken the words of your love and commitment to each other and have united yourselves with the exchanging of your rings. And by the power vested in me in the state of Pennsylvania and the Universal Life Church, it is with great pleasure that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Great joy and pleasure I present to you for the first time in public as husband and wife, the new Mr. and Mrs. Gilbert and Nelsina.
Yes!
From that time forward, there we go.
Nelsina and Gilbert.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM